How's everybody doing today? Keto family, MatTroise here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Peanut Butter Fatbombs from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so let me show you how to make this simple keto fat bomb recipe with only a few key ingredients. You can't go wrong. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna put a pan on medium heat. Okay, we're going to place about a cup of coconut oil into the pan, followed by 1 cup of peanut butter. We're just going to stir this around so it mixes up. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And mix until combined. Now you could add about a tablespoon of powdered monk fruit sweetener as well, but I'm going to keep it natural today and just have plain. Now we're going to add a half a block of cream cheese to the mixture. All right, we're going to allow this to cool for approximately 30 minutes, and then we're going to transfer this mixture. All right, we're going to place these into the fridge for approximately 30 minutes to an hour to solidify. Now for a taste test. Look at that. These look incredible. Simply amazing. These are exactly what you need just in case you're craving something a little sweet, or if you just want something a little bit tasty. In a pinch, these will work. The only downside to these is that they have to stay in the fridge or the freezer. These are incredible. I always keep a bunch of fat bombs on hand and all types of varieties of fat bombs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you can enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.